Hey guys, my name is Neel and welcome to Neel Workshop Zone. So in this episode we're going to be talking about statistics. So in this episode we're going to be talking about one method to find out the mean of a problem. So without further ado, let's talk about it. So in statistics, to find out the mean there are actually three methods, and in this episode we're going to be talking about the first method, which is also known as the direct method. So for example, let me solve a sum for you to understand how this method works. So let's do a sum. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of an environment awareness program in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality and find the mean number of plants per house. So to put it in simpler words, basically a survey was conducted by a group of students, and in that survey they basically went to 20 houses and checked in each house how many plants each house was growing. So for example, imagine you go to a house, how many plants does that house have? Does it have 2? And they go to the next house and they check if there's more than 2, etc. So after that, as you can see over here, there is a table that shows the number of houses and number of plants. So let us draw this here, but a lot more differently. And let's just write. Let's write number of plants, number of houses. Now let's say we write 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, and 12 to 24. And now let's write the number of houses. 1, 2, 1, 5, okay, 1, 2, 1, 5, and 6, 2, 3. So now that we written the question in this table, now let's try to find out the mean. So now let's take this number of houses as Fi, and let's take this as Xi, and let's take this as Fi. So Fi is number of houses and Xi is a class mark, or in this Xi, let's take this Xi. So how do you find Xi? So for finding Xi, what you have to do is you have to take this pair and the highest and the lowest, and then you have to divide them by 2. So for example, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, and when you divide 2 by 2, it comes as 1. Same as this, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Same with this, 10, 10 divided by 2, 5. Same with this, 14, 7, 18, when you divide it by 2, 9, and 12, 22, 11, and 13. So this is the Xi value, like I said here. So now imagine you want to find out the Fixi value. So like the name suggests, Fixi is basically the multiplication of number of houses plus into Xi. So 1 into 1, 1, 2 3s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 7 5s are 35, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, and let's say 22 and 26. So now let's take the total of Fi and Fixi, because to find out the mean there is a formula that you need to use. That formula is X bar is equals to sigma Fixi by sigma Fi. So like I said, you need to find out the total value of Fixi and Fi. So we know this total value, it is 20 because it's 20 houses. And now let's do this. So 7, 14, 19, 23, 24, 25, and 32, 2, you can put 3 here, 6, 11, 14, 15, 16, 162. So by doing this, we got the value of Fi and Fixi, and now you need to plug it in the formula. So I hope you can see this over here, but sigma Fixi by sigma Fi is equals to 162 by 20. Now by dividing it and putting it in decimal form, it basically comes up as 162, 2 5 to 10, this is 2 7 to 14, so 2 8s are 16, 02.1. So the answer is 20 divided by, 162 divided by 20 is equal to 8.1. So the mean of this problem is 8.1. Now I know it sounds complex when you see this, but like I said, when I explain you the sum, it sounds really simple. So this is one way of doing one way of solving the problem. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this method of how to do this. If you enjoyed my explanation, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.